Why is better to use double quotes instead of single quotes in Python? Here we have the same sentence in two different lines, and in this line here we are using double quotes, and in this line here we are using single quotes. Okay, the sentence is, he is not a great soccer player. In English, we have a lot of abbreviations. So instead of the is not here, we could use isn't. Okay, let me write here. Isn't. We have this abbreviation here. And when using double quotes inside the print statement, there is no problem. But now let's do the same thing using single quotes. Look, here we have a problem because our print statement is broken, so if we try to run the code, it will generate an error, syntax error. To solve this problem, we must use a backslash here. But as you can see, the line above is more readable than this line here. So it's preferable to use double quotes in Python.